There are a couple of stocks which will be in focus, and to start off with Tata Motors, a stock where a free trade happened. Well, if you look at this, today Economic Times paper has reported that the company is working on a new premium hatchback car which will directly compete with the successful models of Maruti and Ford, and this new car will be built on refurbished Indica platform, and this will be Tata Motors' biggest launches when the car is unveiled in 2015. Keep an eye on this stock because it has been in under pressure after that free trade. If you look at the YTD return, the stock is down by about 8%. And moving on to IRB Infra and Radico Khaitan, both these stocks will be in focus as RBI has enhanced the FI limit for both these stocks. If you look at the limit for IRB, that has been increased to 49%, whereas the limit for Radico Khaitan has been increased to 30%, and this limit is enhanced under the portfolio investment scheme. Well, RBI has been increasing limits for a couple of these companies. We saw that happening in Pantaloon as well. If you look at Radico Khaitan, 1 year return has been about 31%. And moving on to the sugar pack, which could be in focus as the Food Ministry has decided to seek a cabinet approval for deregulation of sugar prices. Well, the sugar prices as of now are controlled by the government, and if any move in that direction happens, it will be a big positive for the sugar stocks like Balrampur Chini, Renuka and Bajaj Hindustan. And lastly, United Bank of India will be in focus as the bank came out with its quarterly numbers post-market as very bad set of numbers coming in there for the bank. The PAT is down by 81%, NII down 5%, even the gross and the net NPA sequentially have increased, and the board has also approved preferential allotment to infuse tier 1 capital of around 100 crore. You will see United Bank reacting to its numbers today.